I'm going to do a review of Auntie's at-home pretzel dogs. So I can't remember the last time I actually went to Auntie's or Auntie's or whatever you call it. I always called it Auntie's, but it's actually called Auntie's or whatever. Um, I can't recall the last time I went there. I think it was like, well, I don't know. It's been quite a while since I actually went to an Auntie Anne's. There's one in Subway and Walmart, but there's also one in the mall too. That's the one that I've always went to, was the one in the mall. The one in Subway has just been there for a couple years actually. But as far as I know, they still got Auntie Anne's at Subway. I don't know. Anyway, so anyway, these are their pretzel dogs. I'm watching Dog the Bounty Hunter right now, so I'm kind of like, I put it on mute though because I don't want to get copyrighted, but kind of like multitasking, doing this video and watching Dog the Bounty Hunter at the same time. But anyway, this is what they look like. I got some barbecue sauce over there. Some of my Jack Daniels barbecue sauce to dip them in. Pretty good. Although, without the barbecue sauce, there's really no flavor to these. They don't really taste like the Auntie Anne's that you can get at like the actual restaurant, but and these are usually, as far as I know, these are usually cut up because those are usually like in those little cups and they put them in. I don't know if they sell them like that at Auntie Anne's, but last time I knew they used to cut them up and put them in a cup. But anyway, they're pretty good. 5 out of 5, so peace.